Very good morning, Chamudi. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. Thank
Right,
you.
it was nice seeing you after a long time. Right, so finally you decided to switch on the camera, right?
Yes.
Right, so I did not mention people because by switching on the camera, you obtain nearly 15 marks. Don't tell others, right? Don't tell others because why I did not tell so, because if I have mentioned that, people, they do that, right? Because I just wanted to check whether they were okay to have this one, right? Because I did not worry about the background because we are at home, we are not at a studio, right? So that is okay, right? But I just wanted to find out whether they are confident enough to use their camera, right? Okay, so thank you so much. Then before having the oral test, you have obtained 15 marks. Congratulations, right? But please do not share it with your friends, right? Only for the time being, only two people switch on the cameras and two did not switch it on, and I did not ask them to switch it on also, because in your life you should have a you should have guts to do that, right? Okay, so tell me something about yourself, Press, my dear.
Good morning, sir. First of all, I would like to thank you giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I'm Chamudi. I did my A-levels last year. I hope to do my degree in Maxi stream. These days, I'm doing IT courses and I'm busy with their exams. When I'm free, I read in books, talk in my family members, and I like painting. And my strength are I'm honest and hardworking girl, but I have weakness. I think I have no patience and I'm too nervous.
Yeah, that is for sure.
My short-term goal is to enter the campus and doing my degree well. My long-term dream is one day to be a lecturer in Maxi stream. I totally with my life. That's all about myself. Thank you.
Right. Thank you so much. Right. So you told me that you are a little nervous. That is correct. Right. But today, Chamudi, I see a specialty in you. Right. I see that you're not nervous today. What is the reason for that? Because you're always nervous, right? In the physical training program, right? I noticed that in our oral test, right? So you got nervous, you got afraid a little, right? But today, right, I do not see any issue like that. So what's the reason behind it?
I don't know.
Right, today you look nice and you look confident today, right? Okay, so I congratulate on that. Right, then the first one, that was the first one. Then the second one, so you can select this particular reading and you can read it for me, right? It's about Munidasa Kumaratunga, very easy one, right? So you can read it for me from the beginning to the end. Right, go on, my dear.
Okay, sir. Munidasa Kumaratunga. Munidasa Kumaratunga was born on 25th July 1887. He was a writer, poet, journalist, and grammarian. He wrote many Sinhala storybooks. Hinsaraya, Hatpana, Magulkama, and Kiyawana Nuwana are some of them. These books are popular among children even today. Munidasa Kumaratunga founded the Hela Haula movement to promote the correct usage of the Sinhala language. He wrote Sinhala grammar books and had a wide knowledge of other languages like Tamil, Pali, Sanskrit, Greek, and Latin. In his lifetime, he served as the school teacher, principal, and school inspector. This eminent scholar passed away on 2nd March 1944.
Right, thank you very much, my dear. Right, then, so what is the particular topic that you are about to tell me?
I tell my best teacher.
Okay, go on, my dear.
I have learned from a lot of teachers. They are very good and kind-hearted. I really thank and love all of them. Among them, one teacher who impressed me, that was the teacher who taught me physics in my A-levels. When I first started doing my A-levels, I was tired of physics. I don't like physics. My mark dropped slowly. Then teacher called me and said a lot of things. Those words touched my heart a lot. After that, I study hard physics with my teacher. She helps. She will always help for me. Physics became a very easy, and now it's my favorite subject.
Really?
Uh, that's the, that teacher. That is why she is best for me. I really thankful her, but I don't know if she remembers me. But I will never forget her. I really thankful her, bottom of my heart. Thanks.
Right. Okay, that is so sweet, right? Okay, so now do you have any updates about the teacher?
No.
No, right? So that means you met her right when you were doing your A levels.
Yes.
Right. Okay. Right. Now, so according to your speech, now are you interested in physics now?
Yes.
Okay. Right. That is nice to notice. Right. Okay. Chamudi, then we are going to have a small chit chat about some events. Right. And so would you like to have the chit chat or would you like to have the rest of the events? Okay, I'll have the rest of the events. Right. Can you tell me the mind map using the verb do? Use the verb do and collaborate the mind map from top to the bottom.
Do, does, did, will do, am, is, are doing, was, were doing, will be doing, has, have done, had done, will have done, has, have been doing, had been doing, will have been doing.
Excellent, my dear. Right, that is really nice. Right. Okay. So, can you remind me some patterns out of 40 patterns? Right, at least 5 to 6 patterns from 40 patterns. Right, you can remember 40 patterns. You can remind some patterns out of them. Right, at least nearly 6 to 10 patterns. Even that is fine.
It is better to, it is difficult to, it is easy to, felt, feel like, am, is, are in a position to, am, is, are badly in need of.
Okay, right, that's fine. Right. Okay, can you tell me if you understand, say understand 2 times without stopping?
If you understand, say understand. If you don't understand, say don't understand. But if you say don't understand, even if you understand, how can I understand that you understand? Understand. If you understand, say understand. If you don't understand, say don't understand. But if you say don't understand, even if you understand, how can I understand that you understand? Understand.
Excellent, Chamudi. Right. Okay. So tell me something about your future plans. Right. So who do you want to be just after finishing your education?
I want to be a lecturer in Max stream.
Right.
I would like to go on a abroad and study.
Okay.
And
what type of country that you love to visit? Let me select.
I love to visit China and Australia.
Australia. What about what about China? What is the specialty about it?
I really like this country.
Uh-huh.
And I like to visit.
Okay, right. Okay, then Chamudi. So finally, right. So actually, we were able to manage with our physical trainings for more than 2.5 months. Then we had to switch to the online version, right? But we have been doing the program for more than 7 months now, right? So this is not going to be the 100% stop, right? We are not going to stop it like this, but we'll be having a physical training program, right? If you get together, all of you, so we'll be having the physical training program. So what do you think? Will you be able to join in the future also? Do you like to
Yes,
join? Right. Okay. So because why we are doing this, because of the current situation, I think you can understand about that. So so you can keep it in your mind. This is not the what you call, this is not the what you call goodbye, right? This is only a bye, right? Then after that also we'll be meeting, right? Okay, then Chamudi, what do you think about the program and what do you think about your friends?
I really happy this program and thank you so much, sir. So when I started this program, I'm nervous English, but then I don't afraid of English.
Yeah, I see that now. I see that. That's why I was surprised by looking at you because I did not ask you to switch on the camera also, right? Then I was surprised by looking at you because all the time when I what you call notice you, you were having some sort of nervousness, right? But now I do not see that in you. That is a very nice what you call skill to be noticed, right? That's why I'm really happy. Right? Actually, I'm really happy to see you
Thank
like
you.
this, right? And because most of the time I never ask people to switch on the camera because as I thought that they may be having some sort of issues, right? So but now I decided to ask them to what you call switch on the camera next time, all the people, right? Okay, because that is good actually, right? Anyway, so what do you think about your friends actually?
I can't meet my friends. I
Uh-huh.
think they are they are faced well.
Mm-hmm. So I think your best friend is what do you call Nivartana.
Yes.
Right. Okay. Then I would like to thank your brother because Nivartana's brother, he's the one who introduced you to the program. And I would like to remind him also, right, at the final oral test. Then Chamudi, thank you so much and keep the smiles, right, and keep it up. And I wish you all the luck to become the lecturer you wanted to be, right? And good luck. God bless you. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.